is time. It's up to the lightning round. It's three calls my first hitting and starts you play this out. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski? Yeah, it's time for the lightning round because it's money to start with. Alan in Alabama. Alan.
Hey, how you doing, Jim?
I'm doing well, Alan. How about you?
Not bad at all.
All right. Not bad. Not bad.
I was
Fair
wondering
Midland.
if I could ask you about MGM Resort.
Sure. I think the stock is very oversold, but I don't really care for that group. But you know what? I think anything can bounce in that business. Let's go to Andy in California. Andy.
Booyah, Jimmy. How's it going?
Couldn't be better. Thank you for asking. How about you?
No, not too badly, thank you. The other day, you and David were having a conversation about the consumer basically going through all their money from the stimulus and COVID. So I'm wondering how that would reflect on my position in Take-Two Interactive, buy, sell, or hold.
Well, I do think that Take-Two was run by a very smart man, Strauss Zelnick, but I don't think that group is doing that well unless you do Fortnite or Valve. I do believe that the single shooter games are the way to go, and that Take-Two is going to mark time. Let's go to Rich in New York. Rich!
Booyah, Jimmy Chill, longtime investor
Chill Man's
and
trying.
investing club member.
Yes, I'm telling you, we're working so hard. What's going on?
I'm curious about Rio Tinto. I'm not looking for the capital appreciation, but what's your opinion on the hefty dividend?
I think it's too low. I do think that it represents great assets. Whether the stock's going to reflect that in the near term, I don't know, but the assets are real. Let's go to Beige in Massachusetts. Beige.
Hey, Jim, how are you? This is Bart from Boston.
Hey, Badge, what's up, man? What's up?
I wanted to ask you about this cannabis stock. Cannabis stock. Tilray
which one that be? Tilray? Look, it's Erwin Simon. He's off and on with Sarah. He used to come on with me, but I guess I must have hurt his feelings. I don't know, but he's not going to like this. Hold your ears. The cannabis space, it's still what I call too early. Too early. And canopy growth, too early. Have I stressed the moment of earliness? Okay, let's go to Andy in Pennsylvania. Andy. Andy? Andy, you're up. Andy from Pennsylvania. Andy. Andy probably was too busy watching that Phillies game. Turned it off too soon. Let's go to Tim in Texas. Tim.
Hey, Jim. How are you?
I'm very good. How about you, Tim?
Doing well. I just wanted to ask about the stock Pubmatic, ticker symbol PUB.
All right. Now, this is an absolutely terrific one of these optimization platforms. I like Cloudflare, by the way. But it's so expensive. It's come down. It's no longer as expensive as it was. I think it's fine, not great, not bad. I do not have a catalyst for Pubmatic. Let's go to Chris in New York. Chris.
Yes, Jim. It's an honor, and congratulations on your new home at the Exchange.
Oh, thank you very much. I do love it here. And how can I help you?
Yes. I'm looking at SCI. Is it a good buy, or do I avoid it like the house paint?
No. The death care business is a very reliable business. And I think that is a good stock to own, SCI, and have for many, many years. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round!
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Coming up, Cramer carries the Any Given Sunday ethos to Wall Street. Look for the big upsets with Mad Money next. Tomorrow, kick off the trading day with Squawk on the Street. Live from Post 9 at the NYSE.
Do you remember the Twilight Zone where the guy behind the bar actually had 3 eyes?
Vaguely do
Before
remember
he
that.
hit the bus, it was the Twilight Zone. I love Rod Serling. Well, I mean, I only have so many eyes.
I just said keep an eye on it. I didn't say, to be fair, I didn't say all eyes.
No, not all eyes.
That
Not
is
all
an
eyes.
old
Or on
favorite
the
of
heels
ours.
of. You didn't do that either.
No, I didn't do that.
It all starts at 9 a.m. Eastern. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.